to the Lego factory.
Stage 1. Melting.
We start with granules, storing up giant hoppers, and melt them down using dragon fire. But Gary's asleep again. Okay, everyone, roar as loud as you can after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Roar!
Not loud enough. Again. 1, 2, 3. Roar! He's awake.
Stage 2. Molten.
Now our elephants splash the melted granules into the machine, and our octopus helps to mold it into Lego bricks.
Stage 3. Minifigure production.
Right! Now it's time to shrink you down and test the Play-Doh-matic, turning you into a Lego minifigure. Yes. The machine is experimental, but don't worry, they'll be turned into minifigures of some form or another. Hold on, everyone. This is it. Transformation is complete.
Stage 4. Packaging.
I can't wait to see what you look like as a minifigure. You look awesome. Move your arms. Come on, give yourself a wave and strike a pose for the camera in 3, 2, 1.
Stage 5. Dispatch.
Ah, yes. The adventure continues. It's time to get packaged up inside your box and transported to one of our excited customers. Get ready, everyone. This is the greatest adventure of all. It's time to enjoyed the Lego Factory Adventure Ride. You have experienced how Lego bricks are made and been turned into your very own minifigure. But the fun doesn't stop there. Now it's time to enjoy the rest of your day here at Legoland.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Make sure to subscribe for more theme park tips.
Leave comments below.
We're happy to answer.
See you on the next adventure. Congaloosh.